Okay, welcome to the video. Here we're going to be looking at the A7 or A dominant 7 arpeggio. We're also going to be looking at the D7 arpeggio and the E7 arpeggio. So 3 dominant arpeggios for you to try. So here's the first one, which is A7. So it goes 5 on the 6th string. And then we go to 4 on the 5th string, then we go to 7 on the 5th string. So it's 5, 4, 7. We then shift to 5 on the 4th string, and then 7 on the 4th string. So we've now got that. So 5, 4, 7, 5, 7. Then go 6 on the 3rd string. Do it again. So we've got 5, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6 on the 3rd. We then go to 5 on the 2nd string. Go to 8 on the 2nd string. So 5 on the 2nd to 8 on the 2nd. So it goes 5, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8. Then we go to the last string, string 1. So we've got 5 going to 9, a little bit of a stretch, so 5 to 9. So now we've got 5, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8, 5, 9. So 6th string, 5th fret, 4th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 4th string, 7th fret, 4th string, 6th fret on the 3rd string, 5 on the 2nd string, 8 on the 2nd string, 5 on the 1st string, and then 9 on the 1st string. So once you can go up that, come back down. And notice I'm using each finger to a fret, so I'm using my middle, my 1st, my 3rd, and my little finger. So that's fret 4, fret 5, fret 6, and fret 7. And if you know your A7 bar chord, you're barring across the 5th fret, 3rd finger on the 7th fret, 5th string, and then your middle finger here on the 3rd string, 6th fret. That's your A dominant 7th bar chord. You can associate that with that shape as well. That's your A7. If you want to make this a different arpeggio, for example, if you move this down 2 frets to a G7, you can play the same shape. So that's a G dominant 7th arpeggio. You can move it to the 7th fret and play a B dominant 7th arpeggio. So that's why it's nice to have that dominant 7th chord to help you move them around the fretboard. The next one then is going to be the D7 dominant. This is D7 chord, so I'm barring across the 5th fret again. 3rd finger goes on the 7th fret of the 4th string, and then my little finger goes on the 7th fret of the 2nd string. I'm barring across the 5th fret, playing from the 5th string, which is where the root is. That's the D. That's the D7. So for the arpeggio, we're going to start on the actual, it's going to be the perfect 5th or the 5th interval of this arpeggio, which is A. So we're going to start on the 6th string. So we go 5th fret, 6th string. We're then going to go 3rd fret on the 5th string, and then we go to 5th fret on the 5th string. So 5th fret on the 6th string, 3rd fret on the 5th string, and then the 5th fret on the 5th string. We then go to the 4th fret on the 4th string to 7 on the 4th string. So we've got 5, 3, 5, 4, 7. Do it again. So 5, 3, 5, 4, 7. Then, once we've done that, we go to the 5th fret on the 3rd string, and then the 7th fret on the 3rd string. So 5th fret 3rd to 7th fret third. So now we've got 5, 3, 5, 4, 7, 5, 7. Then flatten the third, so you roll it flat to get 7 on the second string. So that's 7 on the second. So now we've got 5, 3, 5, 4, 7, 5, 7, 7. Last two notes, 5 on the first string to 8 on the first string. So 5 on the first to 8 on the first. Now we've got 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 7, sorry. 5, 7, 7, 5, 8. One more time. 5, 3, 5, 4, 7, 5, 7, 7, 5, 8. And we can go up it. Come back down. Again, associate that chord with the D7. You can move it to C. And you have yourself a C dominant 7th arpeggio. We'll move it, that D7 up 2 frets to an E. We've got an E dominant 7th arpeggio as well. So that's dominant 7th chord shape, quite important. And that gives you your D7. Your next one then is going to be your E7 arpeggio, which I'm going to use this little C chord shape for this one. This is my associated shape for this. So it's going to be 7 on the 5th string. You want 6 on the 4th string. You want your first finger to hit the B string on fret 5. Then you want your little finger on 7 at the 3rd string. So you got 7 on the 5th, 6 on the 4th, 5 on the 2nd, and 7 on the 3rd string. I am muting out my 1st string with my 1st finger, so I don't get that note, but you could have it in because it's an E anyway. But if you're going to move it to 2 frets down, you don't want to mute out that string because you're going to get an E in it. That's more like it's going to be sort of a D dominant 9th chord rather than the D7. So as you see, 7. So 7 on the 5th string, 6 on the 4th, 5 on the 2nd string, little finger plays 7 on the 3rd string. Now the arpeggio for this is really quite a nice one. It starts on the major 3rd of this arpeggio, which is a G sharp, and it's on the 4th fret of the 6th string. So it goes 4th fret to the 7th fret. That's your first and little finger. Again, I'm assigning each finger to a fret for this one as well. So first, little finger, so 4 to 7. On the 5th string we go 5 to 7 with the 1st and the 3rd. Or you could use your middle and third. I tend to go, with those fingers, 1st and 3rd when I'm playing. But you can go 1st, 4th, middle, 4th. Yeah. So once we've got 4 on the 6th, 7 on the 6th, and then we've got 5 on the 5th to 7 on the 5th. We then go to the 6th fret on the 4th string. So that's that. Yeah, so it's 4, 7, 5, 7, 6. 6th string, 4, 6th string, 7, 5th string, 5, 5th string, 7, 4th string, 6. We then go to the 4th fret on the 3rd string to 7 on the 3rd string. So 4 to 7 on the 3rd string. So we've got 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 4, 7. Do it slowly. 4 on the 6th, 7 on the 6th, 5 on the 5th, 7 on the 5th. You want 6 on the 4th string, to fret 4 on the 3rd string, to fret 7 on the 3rd string. for one more note in on the B string, which is going to be the 5th fret. So this 5th fret, B string. So now we've got 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 4, 7, 5 on the 2nd. Do it slowly. 4th fret 6, 7th fret 6, 5th fret 5th, 7th fret 5th, 6th fret 4th string, go to the 4th fret 3rd, 7th fret 3rd, and then go to the 5th fret on the 2nd. Then we go the 4th fret on the 1st string to 7 on the 1st string, 4th fret 1st string to 7 on the 1st string. So now go back, got 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 4, 7, 5, 4, 7. Really nice shape. Do it again. Made a mistake, I'll do it again for you. When I first played it, you probably noticed I did this. Oh, not quite that. I'm using different fingers, this is the way I play it. But using the 4 fingers together, you know, you got those there, a few mistakes there. Oh, I'm only human. So, or I can go those different fingers. So we've got A7, we've got D7, we've got E7, and there's your A7 dominant chord for the first shape, if you remember. Then you've got your D7, and you've got E7. And there's 3 arpeggios for you to try out, have a little play around with.